Hello students, in this video we will discuss about local maxima and local minima. In this before in the previous video already we have discussed about maxima and minima. Maxima and minima is defined as on that point value of that function is maximum value in whole interval or domain in that function is known as maxima, and on that point value of function is minimum, this is known as minima. Now here we will discuss local maxima and local minima. Mathematical definition is let f be a real valued function and let c be an interior point in the domain of f. That means c lies between in the interval of given function. Then first C is called the point of local maximum if there is h is greater than 0 such that f of c is greater than f of x. That means suppose this is in the first graph. You can see here this is a graph of y equal to f of x. This is a function, and as you see here, if we draw a tangent at this point of this graph, this is increasing. That means go positive in the positive direction, means downward to upward. And at this point where this is denoted by c, at the c, f of c equal to 0, that means on this tangent of this point, slope of this tangent is 0 because this tangent is parallel to the x-axis. This is the x-axis. So this tangent is parallel to the x-axis. So f of c equal to 0. And if we move forward, then this will be go in the downward direction. That means this is the decreasing. That means here this is the increasing, and here this is the decreasing. That means we conclude that local maxima at that point C will be when sign is changed from positive to negative, means positive to negative sign. If we go from positive to negative, then this will be maximum or local maximum. Now value of f of c is called the local maximum value of f, means given function. Now we will discuss about local minima. What is the local minima? As you see here in this graph, this value is lowest value on this point, lowest value. As you see here, this is the maximum value, this is the maximum value, but this point value of function at this point is less than this point and this point. So at this point f of c is equal to 0, then at this point value of this function will be minimum, and this is called local minima. Now you can see here, and now you see here sign will be changed from negative to positive. That means decreasing at this till at this point, and when you go forward from this point, then function will be increasing. That means sign change from minus to plus, means negative to positive. Then this at this point function will be local minimum. How to define it? C is called a point of local minima. Local minima if there is h is greater than 0 such that f of c is less than f of x. F of c is less than f of x for all c belongs to c minus h and c plus h. C minus h, what is meaning of c minus h? In this situation, c minus h means slightly left from the c, and c plus h means slightly right from the c. In this situation, c minus h means slightly less from the C and C plus H slightly right from the C. Means this side is known as C plus H and this side known as C minus H. In this situation, f of C, that means here local maxima condition is f of x, f of C is greater than f of x, and in this situation f of C is less than f of x. The value of f of C, thus the value of f of C is called the local minimum value of f, the local minimum value of f. Now in the third, this is the second graph. Now in the third graph, you can see here, this is the graph of y equal to f of x. This is also y equal to f of x, and this is y equal to f of x. Now in this situation, in this graph, as you see here, if we go from negative, that means in the lower side, at this point to decreases, and after this point function is increases in this direction. So this is the positive direction, this is the negative direction. When sign change from negative to positive, then this is the local minima. That means this will be local minima. And again, this is the three turning points. First turning point this, second turning point this. For this point, we go from, that means positive, then negative. That means sign here changes from positive to negative. So this point will be local maxima. You can see here. And again, this point is from negative to positive. So this point will be local minima. This point denoted by C1, C2 and C3. That means on the C1 this is the local minima. Again at C2 local maxima, and at C3 local minima. These points is known as also critical points. So this is the concept of local maxima and local minima. Now in the next video we will discuss about local maxima and local minima by first derivative test.